In this video we will show you, how can you use preprocess scripts to speed up WordPress. For the presentation, we will use the popular Events Calendar plugin, which is using JavaScript to render the calendar. Without caching we will get pretty bad results. Both mobile and desktop scores needs improvement. Let's activate Swift Performance. For the first test, we simply run the autoconfig. For this test we won't configure Cloudflare, so we can simply skip this step. Let's filter to the events page, and generate the cache. Now check the current scores. As you can see, we still need to work on this. Open the settings. Switch to Advanced View. Go to Script Settings, and enable Async Execute, then set Script Delivery to delay async scripts. Now go to Style Settings, and set Critical CSS to Viewport Based. Regenerate the cache. And check the current scores. Scores are much better now. There are some minor issues, however we have another issue. If we check the desktop view, the calendar will be unstyled until the first user interaction, because it uses JavaScript for styling. So we need to use Preprocess script to run event calendar scripts on server side. First let's find what scripts should we add to Preprocess scripts. Let's search for the event calendar in the source. As you can see, the plugin is using a few scripts, so the best if we add all of them to Preprocess scripts. Go back to Script Settings, and scroll down to Preprocess scripts. Add the events calendar here, and save settings. Now regenerate the cache, and check the desktop version. The design seems okay now, nothing changes if we move the cursor. Check it with page speed insights as well. Scores are a bit worse now, also the mobile view seems weird. But on desktop it already looks okay. The main issue that the CLS has been increased. We need to tweak the settings a bit. Let's go to Optimization. Open Styles Settings, and exclude the Events Calendar CSS from merging. Now go to Caching, and enable Separate Mobile Device Cache. In the first test, Swift Performance executed Preprocess scripts only for the desktop version. That caused the issue with the mobile view. Now it will generate separate cache for desktop and mobile devices, so it will fix the weird looking calendar for mobile. Let's regenerate the cache. And check the results with page speed insights again. Score is 96 now, and the screenshot seems okay. Desktop scores are perfect, and it looks also good. Delaying scripts is a powerful technique to speed up the page rendering, but some scripts modifies the DOM, so you can't simply defer them. With preprocessed scripts, Swift Performance will run these scripts on server side, and cache the modified page, so the visitor don't need to wait until the script run in the browser and rendering the page. Preprocessing scripts is the next level to optimize JavaScripts and improve Web Vitals score for WordPress. Thanks for watching.